You guys can't see my face because it's getting dark. It's after 5 as I speak. Um, no, this part of the wood, me and my neighbors that used to live in that house where I'm showing my camera to, don't live there no more. But this woods, sometimes I want to just call it forest. We go through here. There's like a ditch that way somewhere. They had a small bridge. There's a field also in that direction as well, with a school. Um, yeah, and a church back there. Um, this was our spot to cut through and just go hang out when we were young children. And those were the days. When I am 36 now, doing adult things. Um, Being out here, finally, like, just not walking, just, you can't see if the camera will light up, but no. Yeah. Anyway, I was watching this video. It talks about connecting with the energy inside. And you know, without being a part of nature, you can't, you know, plant yourself to fully connect within. Sucks it's dark. Can't. Let me see something. Let me see something. Okay, this'll work. Flashlight. Again, a notification to not record for over 10 minutes. It won't be too long. So, this is what I'm doing. People will see it weird, and that's okay. You know, growing up, slowly being not a part of the outside, not being a part of nature. Because we, from what I've learned and researched, becoming of the dust of this earth, this flesh, as a man, is a part of this world. But the spirit is a different story, in my opinion. Being turned away from not being able to, in my experiences, being out here, like literally having just a quiet time and connecting with myself in nature as well. Something that I need to do more of. And at times, I'm like, what have I been doing to myself? Not looking in, tapping in, and allowing the system to do the work. The system of government, of man, that has no looking out for us. But here I am doing a video saying, also barefoot, if you guys can't tell. I really want to connect, to really bring out the strength within me. And this is that experience. So I just want to share that bit with you guys for a moment. And This is Alonzo, and it's not just me that's worthy, but you are as well. You guys take it easy. Much love.